the Weather Authority.
Thanks, Krista and Paul, who are looking live this morning at our home view cameras, breaking out into more sunshine as expected. That batch of thicker cloud cover has started to move off to the east, and we're getting some sun, but it still is plenty cold. If you're heading out the door this morning, it's not going to warm up a whole lot today from where we are right now. We're into the 20s to the north, to the south, starting to see some 30s because we've seen a little bit of sun. 31 Williamsburg, 30 in Harlan, and 32 in Pikeville. The farther north you go, the colder that it is because overnight the thicker clouds were farther to the south. To the north, thinner clouds allowed for the temperatures to drop more. Plus, we're shifting our winds. So the clouds starting to move out. Some clearing, but back off to the west into Missouri and Kansas and Oklahoma. Some thicker clouds that will move back in for us into the afternoon. Still, why is he taking me all the way out to California? Well, because this is the upper level low that will eject into the Baja California area, Mexico, down into the Pacific Southwest into Saturday. And then it moves east into Sunday. So that's the Sunday wave, the second wave that we go from snow and then over to some ice across the state. The snowmaker for the Saturday event is from this system that's gathering across Texas. That's pulling up moisture from eventually the Gulf, but also will pull up moisture off the Pacific. So we've got a ton of moisture coming in here to feed this system from the Pacific and from the Gulf. So we've got a lot of moisture that's coming in here. Winter storm warning for the entire state of Kentucky, Saturday, Sunday, into Monday morning. So let's time things out here as we start off Saturday morning. Saturday morning, starting off with cloud cover across the state, maybe a few peaks of sun to the north and northeast early, but still dry. We get toward lunchtime and we'll likely start to see some snow beginning to break out, maybe by mid and late morning southwest. But I think here in Lexington, we're likely going to be closer to 11 or 12 before maybe some light snow falls. Then into the afternoon, the intensity goes up because we will start to moisten the column of air. So what does that mean? Well, the air is going to be very cold. That means that the air is also going to be very dry. So as precipitation moves into that, it falls through dry air and it eats it up. Okay, so initially we may get some dry air to dry it up before it makes it down to the ground, which is why into Saturday afternoon for sure snow will be falling. Snow will be falling Saturday evening, Saturday night, still snowing for central northern Kentucky. Areas that could start to change over to some sleet and freezing rain by Saturday night is areas along the Hal Rogers and Cumberland Parkways in south. We go through the day on Sunday. That freezing rain and sleet lines start lifting north, even into central Kentucky. Look by Sunday afternoon, even some cold rain is possible. And for you to get just plain rain, it has to be above 32. That could happen far southeast. Isn't that crazy? That big of a contrast from our county southeast to central and northern parts of the state. It goes back over to snow Sunday night, and it ends as snow into Monday morning. So the breakdown, snow likely Saturday, heavy at times. Saturday night, still snowing central, northern Kentucky. Some ice starts to mix in down along and south of the parkways in southern Kentucky. Sunday, it's going from snow over to some sleet mixing in, and even that freezing rain with far southeast Kentucky could go over to just rain. Monday ends as snow and very cold. Now we talk about the types and zones. We head into the purple shade into southeastern Kentucky, snow, sleet, ice, and yes, some of this area goes to a cold rain. Pink, snow, sleet, and freezing rain could come as far north. That freezing rain may to Lexington or Paris. All right, for sure some sleet there, but just north of that, it's mainly snow and some sleet. 10 to 14 inches in that mainly snow to sleet range, maybe locally higher. Pink zone, Lexington, Richmond, Danville, Mount Sterling, surrounding areas 6 to 10. The farther north you are in that range, you're closer to the 10, maybe a little over that. 3 to 6 to the south because you're getting more sleet, and then over to freezing rain, and then some rain in there. 1 to 4 maybe. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy. All right, talking about numbers maybe as little as 2 inches way down to the south there, but it's possible because of a quicker changeover to ice. Getting into next week, cold, dangerous cold. We could easily be Tuesday morning as much as 5 to 10 degrees below zero for the temperature. It's banking on cloud cover and the wind direction and speed. If those cooperate, it could get that low. Very dangerous, Paul. Very dangerous.
All right, we'll take this chance.